Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video we are demonstrate a new project. This project is made up of using a PHP and MySQL. So if you are a last year student and looking for the best project, this project might be helpful for you in your last semesters, in your last years and also for your job interviews. So अगर आप लास्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट हो तो ये प्रोजेक्ट आपके लिए बेस्ट हो सकता है. Before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel. How you can find this project from our website? So सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है, update.com पर चले जाना है. update.com पर जाने के बाद आपको PHP की कैटेगरीज में चले जाना है. You just need to go in a PHP category. Just scroll down and inside the PHP category you will find a project best clinic management systems using PHP and MySQL. You can go from the categories or you can just directly search the projects. अगर आपको जो आप प्रोजेक्ट सर्च कर रहे हो वो आपको यहाँ पर नहीं मिलता है तो हमसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली फॉर मेकिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट्स. Just you need to search the project clinic management systems and after that you just navigate to the project. Inside this page you will get all the detail of this project, what we are used, what we are going to develop this, which tools we are going to use in this project. So after that you will after completing the details you just navigate to the main page. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channels. Again I am saying because we have uploaded lots of videos. You can check from our website, from our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, Decode It. We have uploaded lots of projects with different programming languages. You can check once you have completed this project. Now we navigate to the project. अब हम प्रोजेक्ट को स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले हमने एडमिन पैनल ओपन करने वाले. इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर वी हैव 3 modules. One is admin, one is for doctor, one is for clients. As we are clinic management systems. So in clinic management systems we have 3 modules. One is doctors, one is admin and one is the admin panels and one is patients. So these 3 modules are real-time based modules. So first we just open as an admin. In a dashboard we will see all the doctors, patients, performing admin panels and all the things. So if an admin want to appoint any booking an appointment for the patient, so admin can appoint directly. They just need to fill this form. I'm just filling this form and after that need the reason why I'm going to appoint this doctor or this patient. Just submit the appointment. Now we can check the appointment from the view pending appointments. So अब हम सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, अपॉइंटमेंट जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. डॉक्टर कैन अपॉइंटमेंट डायरेक्टली. सो व्यू अपॉइंटमेंट, व्यू अप्रूव अपॉइंटमेंट. यहाँ पर आपको लिस्ट मिल जाएगी, अप्रूव्ड स्टेटस मिल जाएगा एंड यू कैन चेक दी report of that patient also, like billing, descriptions and all things of that patient. Now we just select as a doctor. We can add a new doctor or we can see all the doctors that are present in our clinic. Now I am just adding a new doctor, just filling the form. You can use this project for the real time, like a mini clinic. If you have any clinic, so you can use this project also. But this is for this now. This is only for the education purpose. You can not directly use this on the productions. So I'm just filling the form and after that, after entering the details of these doctors, I can directly submit. Now I have added a new doctor. If I select view doctor, I can see all the doctors are present in my clinic. Now same for the patient. I'm just adding a new patient, opening the form for the adding a new patient, entering the details and submit these details. After submitting these details, I will navigate to the patient page. Here we can see all the patients, like add, delete and update all the things for the patient. As I am admin, I can do all the things. We can see report also. Add departments, I can add the department also. Total number of department I can add, remove anything I want to. Now these all part for the admin. Admin have the lots of rights to do all the things like services and add services, patient, doctor and all the things. Now we navigate to the doctor panel. We can add the medicines also, like an admin can do all the things that have the rights. Now I just log out from the admin and open as a doctor. So admin का यहाँ पर admin के फीचर्स यहाँ पर खत्म हो जाते हैं. अभी हम डॉक्टर को एज ए डॉक्टर एडमिन, अभी हम डॉक्टर को ओपन करते हैं एज ए डॉक्टर. अभी हम डॉक्टर के एज ए लॉग इन एज ए डॉक्टर, एंड आफ्टर providing the correct details you can navigate to the doctor dashboard. Here you can see all the details like appointment, new appointment, patients and income reports and all the things. I can visiting hours, I can add the visiting hours like how for which time to which time I'm available as a doctor. I can check the visiting hours and doctor's appointment and income report also, like how much I have earned from this. All about this डॉक्टर लॉगिन एज ए पेशेंट. पेशेंट के साथ आप काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें नहीं कर सकते हो, क्योंकि इसमें हमारे पास बस अपॉइंटमेंट्स और डिस्क्रिप्शन या हमारी ट्रीटमेंट डिटेल्स हो सकती है. सो आई कैन ऐड एन अपॉइंटमेंट एज ए पेशेंट, आई कैन ऐड अपॉइंटमेंट एंड आई कैन सी माई रिपोर्ट्स एंड आई कैन सी माई द ट्रीटमेंट डिटेल्स. सो जब भी कोई न्यू पेशेंट्स अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करेगा तो डायरेक्टली नेविगेट हो जाएगा डॉक्टर के पास जाके, वहाँ पर वो अप्रूव कर सकता है, रिजेक्ट कर सकता है उस अपॉइंटमेंट को. सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट ओपनिंग एज ए डॉक्टर एंड चेकिंग द न्यू अपॉइंटमेंट हैज़ रीच टू मी और नॉट. नाउ आई कैन सी दैट द न्यू अपॉइंटमेंट हैज़ सीन इन माई टेबल्स like view appointment, approve or delete. So I can approve that or I can delete that. For this time I am just deleting this for checking the functionality of this page. Now I am just deleting this appointment. Now at the patient end, this appointment has rejected. So the patient has need to again sign up and fill the detail, and again they need to mark as appointment. So this is all about this project. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, and you can do this project for your college, for your last semesters or for jobs also. So thank you for watching this video.